Hello students, this is Vijay Lakshmi Bhatt welcomes you to the 10th standard mathematics class, triangles. End of this lesson, you will be able to identify similar figures, differentiate between similar and congruent figures, identify the conditions that defines the similarity of triangles to prove the basic proportionality theorem and its converse. You must be wondering why we were in a sports room during a geometry session. Well, there is a geometry all around us. Let's try to find same here. Look at the different balls kept here. There is a football, a volleyball, a cricket ball and a tennis ball. There is a golf ball too. That's a quite variety. All these balls are spherical in shape. Does this make them congruent? Objects are said to be congruent only of the same shape and the same size. For example, look at these hockey sticks. They are equal in shape and size. Here, they are congruent. As for the balls, out of the same shape, their size differ. Objects that are of the same shape but differ in size are said to be similar. Let's recap the definition of similar and congruent. Objects are said to be congruent only of the same shape and same size, whereas objects of the same shape and their different size are called as similar figures. Important observation to note is that all congruent figures are similar, but all similar figures need not be congruent. Thank you. Here are some examples for similar figures. These figures appear to be similar, but we cannot be certain about it. Therefore, we must have some definition of similarity of figures, and based on this definition, some rules to decide whether the two given figures are similar or not. Now look at the similarity of two polygons. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. Now let us move on to the similarity of triangles. What can you say about the similarity of two triangles? You may recall that triangle is also a polygon. So we can state the same condition for the similarity of two triangles. Two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. Note that if corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then they are known as equiangular triangles. A famous Greek mathematician, Thales, gave an important truth relating to two equiangular triangles, which is as follows. The ratio of any two corresponding sides in two equiangular triangles is always the same. So he believed that he had used a result called the basic proportionality theorem. Now it is known as Thales theorem. Now let us prove Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem.